Hello friends, welcome to Global Studio YouTube channel. In this video we will focus on fillet command and we will also learn how to use the fillet command effectively. Let's draw one rectangle like this and then take the fillet command, type F and then take the radius option and give the radius value 2 and then select the two corners. As you can see, we created a fillet using the fillet command. But there are more ways to create fillets using the fillet command. First select the fillet. As you can see, there are multiple options. One is polyline option and one is radius option and one more is multiple option. Take the polyline option, select the radius and then give the radius value 2, click enter and then select this polyline. As you can see, we have given fillet for all the corners with single click. So this is how you can utilize the fillet command more efficiently. And also if you want to give the fillet command for only two corners, that also we can do. Take the fillet option again and then click on enter and then take the multiple option. Or you can type simply M and then select the corners. As you can see, we can give fillet for the required corners. So this is how you can use the fillet command more efficiently and more effective way. And I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with new tips and tricks. Bye bye.